Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment and all that good stuff. And we are just taking a look at a Byte here on the daily time frame. As we can see, we are starting to come down, obviously with Bitcoin having a very significant retracement. We've seen a lot of cryptos coming down and losing some of their supports. You can see that Byte here has really started to come down and probably lose this level of support that it's been trading under for a good while here. You can see obviously we've been in this channel for a while. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. And then at this level of support here, we've just come down and probably swept a bit deeper than I might have anticipated into this previous level of structure. You can see potentially losing this trend line support as well in this area. But overall, still feeling very, very good about this crypto in general. You can see obviously we're coming down for a little bit of a deeper retrace into this key area of structure here, which is essentially previous resistance flipped into support. And now you can see we've had a really nice pump and then coming back down into this area to test as support as well. You have to remember in the last time that we saw oh my god, it's very windy outside. Got a crazy weather in the UK today, so very, very strange stuff. But as you can see, let me just roll this across a bit so you can see in more detail. Obviously, we had our previous all-time high that we made here. We came down, we thought probably have a back test into this and continue. But we came down, we had a bit of a deeper retrace. Some nice entries down here at around 1,000th of a whatever here, or 10,000th of a cent. And as you can see, massive 6x off the lows there. Once we came down for that deeper retrace, once you broke that resistance and started to move, you can see we moved up very quickly. And really, this time, no different at all for Byte here. You can see we're sitting under a bit of a resistance here, looking something like this. And we are just essentially testing this resistance continually here. And the lower that we get, the more chance of breaking through this. I do think we could come down into this area here potentially and get a bounce and then break through this and continue to the upside. Overall, Byte looking fine to me. Obviously, we have potentially lost a bit of support here, judging by this channel here. But you could very easily just go like this. Move this trend line to here. Could keep your resistance line up here. If we're looking at just closed candles, we're probably looking at something like this. And you can see if we came down into this area here, bounced, got the back test, broke through resistance, continued. We're obviously looking for some much higher prices on our next swing high. And now I think around a 10x from this price over the next 6 months. Easily possible with the Bitcoin halving coming as well. Really nothing much has changed at all for Byte. I think there's a lot of large wallets accumulating at these highs, at these prices as well. Looking for those new highs, obviously once we break this resistance. Just like the previous times here. Every time we break resistance, we've gone on a nice little run for Byte. And I do think once we start to break up here, up to around that 3,000, 4,000 area here, we'll probably be looking at moving up quite quickly to a new all-time high. So right now, things fine. I'm accumulating. I'm waiting to see what happens next. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.